Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this really beautiful warm glittery bridal makeup look using all Makeup Revolution products. So if you want to know how I achieved this really beautiful Indian glam bridal makeup look using some glitters and everything, then please do continue. To begin with, I'm going to take the Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12 to apply as a base for my eyeshadows. So I'm just applying that on the main eyelid and also to clean up the bottom area of my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take a concealer blending brush to blend out all of the concealer in place. Next, I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. For that, I'm going to take the Forever Dynamic eyeshadow palette in the variant Dynasty, which is like a beautiful warm toned eyeshadow palette. And first, I'm going to pick up that terracotta brown shade from the palette to apply as a transition on the crease. And this eyeshadow is completely matte. And I'm using a blending brush to really apply and blend the eyeshadow onto the crease. Then I'm going to take this very beautiful deep sort of a red toned eyeshadow. Again, this is matte, and I'm going to use that to deepen up the crease because I'm going to go in for a cut crease makeup looks today. So I'm going to define and really intensify the crease of my eyes. Also applying that to the outer V. Then I'm going to take the Conceal and Define Concealer again, and I'm going to take a precise flat brush, and this one is a little bit more tiny, so it is easy to cut the crease. So I'm just gonna do a semi-cut crease on the crease. So I'm just using short little strokes to create my cut crease here. Then I'm going to pick up this very beautiful warm golden eyeshadow on a flat shader brush and applying that mostly on the inner corners of my eye and up till the center of my eyelid, not going to go beyond that. Then I'm going to pick up this shimmery maroon burgundy sort of a eyeshadow on the same flat eyeshadow brush flipped onto the other side, and I'm just going to apply that on the empty space on the eyelid. Then I'm going to take the glitter from the palette, which is like a beautiful bronzy gold glitter, and I'm taking that on my ring finger and gently pressing it down on the center of my eyelid, and that just sticks really well on the eyelids even without glitter glue. Now I'm going to take the Matte Fix Setting Spray from Revolution as a primer for today's makeup look. So I'm just giving it a quick spray before I apply my foundation. And for foundation, I'm taking the Conceal and Define foundation in the shade C13, which is like an exact match on me. So I'm just applying that on the main areas of my face, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend everything down. And this is such a great full coverage foundation and gives you a lot of coverage without making your face look cakey or anything. And it makes your skin look really smooth as well. So I really love this foundation. It is perfect for oily skinned people like me, and it lasts for quite a bit as well, so it's perfect for special occasions. Then I'm going to take the Conceal and Define Concealer again in the shade C12 to conceal and highlight my face. So I'm applying that on the under eyes, on the inner corner and the outer corner of my under eyes. Also going to highlight the center of my forehead, on top of the eyebrows to clean them up, and on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. Then I'm going to take the concealer blending brush again to blend out all of the highlighted areas. Now to set everything in place, I'm using the Terracotta loose powder, and this one is a little bit more warmer and orangey on me, so I'm using a very tiny amount on a powder brush and just applying the powder lightly to set the base. Again, I'm going to pick up the matte red eyeshadow from the Forever Dynamic eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a pencil brush to smoke out my lower lash line and add more depth over there. Then I'm going to take the HD Ultra Contour Kit and mixing those two contour powders, and I'm just going to apply that to chisel and add definition to the face. So I'm applying that to the hollows of my cheeks, on the perimeter of my forehead, on my jawline, and also to make my nose look slender and under my lower lip. Once that is done, I'm going to take the blusher from Revolution. I'm not really sure of the name. I will put it in the description box. So it's like a very bright red orangey sort of a blusher, so a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks to add a bit of flush to my face. Then I'm going to take this Ruby Crush highlighter, which is in a pink shade, and I'm not going to use it as a highlighter but as a blush topper for today's makeup look, since it is very pigmented. And yeah, so I'm just adding a little amount on the apples of my cheeks as a blush topper and to add a bit of glow. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Revolution matte lipstick in the shade Demeanour, which is like a warm terracotta brown lipstick. So I'm just applying that to my entire lips, and this lipstick tied very well with the eye makeup also. Again, I'm going to take the Matte Fix setting spray to lock and set the makeup in place. And that is the finished Indian glam bridal makeup look using all Makeup Revolution products. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. All the product details will be listed in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.